Hey guys, Anthony Medico. I got David Castano here.
How's it going?
Some folks out there, I don't know why, they're having a problem downloading our free trial for RoofBid Pro. So real quick, guys, we're going to show you, not only we show you here in this course how to use the lump sum contract method to get your price approved with the insurance carrier, or produce great retail and commercial estimates and bids to your clients, but we've got to make sure you know how to download your free trial so you can actually use it.
Yeah.
So we brought David in here to show you guys quickly how they can get their free 72-hour trial.
Yeah, it's pretty simple. I mean, we have the instructions laid out on the webpage. So,
but how do we get to the webpage?
Step number one is get to the landing page. So roofbidpro.com /trial right behind us.
Trial right behind us.
That's going to bring you
Get your free 72-hour trial now.
Yeah, you get a free 72-hour trial. We're going to have all the instructions, whether you're going to be downloading it on a Mac, on a Windows 32 Excel, 64. Right now, we're going to be downloading it on a Mac. But before downloading anything, you're going to need to follow simple instructions on Excel. So step number one is you need to have Microsoft Excel downloaded, right?
These guys don't like to follow instructions,
They don't. They don't. They like to
kidding.
skip all the instructions over there. So we're going to open up Microsoft Excel over here. And the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to About Excel. We're going to want to go into Preferences, and once we're there, we're going to go into Security. And the first thing we're going to want to do is enable all macros.
Enable all macros.
It's a highly macroed sheet, so we need to make sure that's there. And you want to make sure that you trust the VBA project object model. So it's all good on my computer here on my end. So the next step is going to be, let's see, don't save. And then after that, you're going to want to close out the workbook, because to download RoofBid Pro, Excel has to be closed.
All right, we finished the Excel step.
Yeah.
Let's get this thing downloaded.
It's the toughest step. So next we're going to click on here on the landing page. There's going to be a button for Mac, Windows 32-bit, or Windows 64-bit.
Make sure you click the right button for your computer, because some guys don't.
Especially if
and then they call us.
Especially if you're on Windows, you want to make sure your computer's a 32-bit versus 64-bit, because it does make a difference. But this is obviously a Mac, so we're going to go ahead and click here for download. And we're going to open that up. And it's going to show up in your downloads. The first thing you want to do once it shows up in your downloads, you're going to drag that icon out to your desktop. It's going to be an important step, guys.
Drag it out, guys. Drag it out.
All right, so once that's dragged out and on your desktop, you want to double click that open. There's going to be a prompt message that comes up. Do you want to download it from the internet? Of course we do, right? And then
It's a 10-step process, guys.
all right, so RoofBid Pro is going to come up. I'm going to click Install over here. We're going to have a welcome message with your license agreement, and we're going to click I agree. And now the install is in progress, and now we just wait.
Okay, so we got it installed, Dave. What do we do next?
It's on our computer, so now we got to open it. All right, so you're going to get a message that's going to prompt you to click to try this trial edition. You're going to have 72 hours of trial time to put together an estimate.
3 days for free, guys. 3 days.
We already used up 2 hours. All right, let's see over here. All right, so before downloading it and opening it, you need to make sure Microsoft Excel is closed, and what's going to pop up is going to be a file organizer. And this file organizer is going to be where you're able to create templates and make copy of templates so you can send them within your organization, to your sales processor, to your production managers, whoever. So we're going to create a new template here.
So are you saying that you can save different proposals in a folder that are created by the software program?
Yep, and then you can send them internally.
Nice.
So then we're going to create a new folder here.
By the way, guys, that means you can use one license and get information to many people. You don't need multiple user licenses. That's a sales point.
But you get 5 licenses when you sign up. So.
Oh, you do? I didn't know. I didn't even know that. How did I not know that?
I don't know, man.
That's a 5 for 1.
So let's go ahead and open that up. All right, so you're going to get an option, Enable Macros. You're going to click that one more time. Right there. Open. Enable. And then it'll launch.
All right, we got our free trial up, ready to go, guys. In the next chapter, we're going to use RoofBid Pro, show you how to match up to an insurance Xactimate estimate so that you get your proposal slightly under, slightly more, or close to what the insurance company is paying for or what you want them to pay for on Xactimate. And we're going to show you how to do that too. See you soon.